With spring few days away, now is the time that we begin to take care lawn and garden. Spring is the time to take care of important lawn maintenance tasks of the year, to enjoy healthy lawns and beautiful gardens, with less time maintaining it, through the summer and into fall. Let's go through early spring garden checklist. Number 1. Early spring weed control. Apply pre-emergent herbicide. It is important to target your weeds with weed killer in the spring, because annual weeds germinate from seeds in the spring to fully bloom in the summer. Applying a pre-emergent herbicide is a method of preventative weed control that should be performed early into the spring season. It works by preventing seeds from germinating and weeds from growing. Number 2. Prune trees and shrubs. Spring pruning is one way to get your garden thriving and healthy. Pruning plants, while they are still dormant in early spring, offers several advantages. Remember that pruning is essentially giving your plant small cuts that it needs to heal before it puts out its greatest growth and most beautiful blooms. But remember, there is exception. Early spring pruning does not apply to all plants. Let us check into details. Do not prune the plants that shows blooms in spring season, such as azaleas, lilac, rhododendron, oakleaf hydrangeas and forsythia, are few to name. Because these plants' new blooms develop on old wood, so wait until the flowers open and fade before you start cutting these plants. Here is the basic idea on what plants you can prune in early spring season. All broadleaf evergreens, grown for foliage like boxwood, privet, hollies and euonymus. You can prune shrubs that don't flower in spring, including rose of Sharon, crepe myrtle, hardy hibiscus, butterfly bush and PG hydrangea. You can shape vines that flower in summer while they're still dormant. What to focus from pruning in spring season? The main focus is fixing the plant shape, removing wayward branches or thinning unwanted branches and stems that rub against each other. It is fine to remove dead, damaged or diseased stems to improve plant health and growth. Number 3. Clean up the flower beds. Remember, spring is the perfect time to get beds ready for summer and fall seasons of the year. Clear away dead leaves or any other winter debris from the soil surfaces. Remove protective dated winter mulch from around perennials and cut back last year's dried foliage. Number 4. Add fresh mulch to flower beds and around trees. Make sure to spread the mulch evenly, and do not forget to use protective garden gear. Fresh mulch helps the soil to retain moisture and keeps down weeds, and it is easiest way to make your yard look polished. Number 5. Plan for summer flowering garden and vegetable garden. Spring is the time to plant summer blooming bulbs, and it is correct time to divide perennials to expand your flower garden for summer and fall seasons. Clean up the vegetable beds, prepare the beds with required nutrients and compost to start your harvest by early summer. Number 6. It is optional depending on your lawn health and insect activity. The best time to apply grub control is between early spring and late summer, when there's increased grub worm activity in your lawn. So if your lawn have issues with bugs, it is time to consider to apply grub control application. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please give a thumbs up to like this video and subscribe to House Talks for more interesting videos. Thank you.